Hello everyone. Welcome to Marking Up with HTML for Beginners. I am Amit Kumar and this is the first section of our course Introduction to HTML. In this section, we are going to deal with following tutorials. What is HTML? HTML elements, nesting block and inline elements, attributes revisited, anatomy of HTML document, comments and entity references. This is the first tutorial. What is HTML? So let's begin. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the basic building block of the web. So if we are dealing with websites, if we are dealing with web pages, then the basic building block for that web page or website will definitely be an HTML. It is not a programming language. Definitely, it's not like any other languages where we can create variables, loops, if-else or any other programming structure. So definitely all these things are not supported by HTML. In fact, it is a markup language that tells web browsers how to structure the web pages. So we will use various markup tags with help of which we can format the document and we can show it as a web page. It uses markup to annotate text, image and other content for display in a web browser. Now HTML element is set out from other text in a document by tags. Now if you will see an HTML document, basically it will contain plenty of text. Now these texts are distinguished from each other with help of different tags. A tag consists of the element name surrounded by these angular brackets, less than and greater than symbol. Now there are different types of tags available in HTML. Now all those tags are written between these angular brackets. Now the name of an element inside a tag is case insensitive. Now I'm quoting this thing. It means that for HTML, lowercase and uppercase characters are exactly same. So for example, these are some HTML tags that we basically use, and you can see whether we are using them in uppercase or we are using them in lowercase. It means the same, and we will see that in our HTML document which we will create soon. If tags contain some content, then contents should be written between opening and closing tags. Now there are two types of tags. We are going to study about both of them. The basic difference between these tags are one of the tag have some content in it and the other one have no content. So we will see about these tags soon. But if there is a tag which contains something which have some content inside it, then definitely that specific content should be between the opening and closing tags. So for example, an opening tag with name P will be written as this less than and greater than symbol, and you can see between those less than and greater than a P is placed, and a closing tag which is exactly same as like opening tag, but there is a forward slash also in the closing one. So the opening tag and closing tag looks almost same, except the forward slash is present in the closing tag. HTML consists of a series of elements which we use to enclose or wrap different parts of the content to make it appear or act in a certain way. Now I hope you must have worked on any of the word processor like MS Word or Lotus or Apache OpenOffice. So if you have worked on any of the word processor, definitely you must have formatted the text inside it. in which you might have changed the font of the text. You might have made some of the text as heading. You might have inserted some tables or some images or some icons in it. Actually, we have to perform a similar thing here in HTML documents. But we don't have any commands. We actually format these text with help of tags. It means same text enclosed in different tags will appear or act differently. HTML is having variety of elements, variety of tags, and different tags formats the text differently. So if I am placing the same text HTML in two different tags, like here I have pasted HTML between B and HTML between I, and because the tags are different, this specific text will appear differently. HTML is used to create web pages, and web browsers are used to run these HTML documents or to run these web pages. We need a normal text editor to create an HTML document. We don't need very powerful IDEs or something like that. Definitely, if we are using any IDE, our development task, our development time will definitely reduce. But here, to learn HTML, to use or to create any HTML document, you don't need any complex software. All that you need is a simple text editor like a notepad. Now, extension name of an HTML document. The extension name of an HTML document can be .html or .htm and nothing else. So note this point. This extension name tells the type of the document. So definitely it's very important. We only need a text editor and a web browser to create and execute an HTML document. Definitely, if we don't have a web browser, we would not be able to see how that document will appear normally in a browser. So that's it in this video tutorial. Definitely these links are available to you, and it would be available in the description if you are watching this video on the YouTube, and it would be available as a resource, as the notes to you, as a PDF document to you if you are watching this video on our website. These are some supportive links of our YouTube channel, of our Facebook page, and definitely of our LinkedIn page. So that's it in this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.